Good morning and Sairam children. My name is Ishika. I'm the class teacher of class first. I'm teaching you maths and Hindi. I welcome you all back again to the online classes. These are demise time for all of us. Uh, Without your support and cooperation, this would not have been possible. So thanks for watching our classes, online lessons and support us. Today we will start our session with the maths. Uh, as you know, as I told that before in the month of April and May we have done lot of done written work in rough notebook. But from July now, I I hope that all parents have bought all the syllabus. So now all the parents have books and notebooks with them. So let's start work in Fair Notebook. Let's start our written work in Fair Notebook. So today I will tell you what are the things that you have to start in your maths notebook and how to do. Children, uh, today I will tell you what to start in notebook. You have to start your written work from counting, that is from 1 to 100. So in this way you have to write down date on the particular date you have started the work, that you have to write classwork as it is, and counting, that is from 1 to 100, and then you have to write 1 to 100. This work you have done already in senior KG, and I have repeated this many times, so I know you are enough capable to write counting, that is from 1 to 100. This is your first work that you have to do in your Fair Notebook. After the counting, you have to start number names, that is from 1 to 50. Here we have spellings in right front of you. So you have to write the topic, that is numbers name 1 to 50, date and classwork. Then you have to write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is, and then you have to write the spelling in front of the numbers. So in this way you have to write number names from 1 to 50. Parents, please take care of your child, if because they are so small, maybe they are not enough capable to write the spelling, so please guide them how to write. After the number names and counting, you have to start tables. I have already told you table, that is from 2 to 5. So in this way you have to write down the title, write tables from 2 to 5. Here this is the title. Classwork you have to write here and write down date. It's date you can write here also and in the given boxes also. So now here I have written the table, that is 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So in this way you have to write down tables. This all work done in Fair Notebook. Please start your work in Fair Notebook, because in Fair Notebook, if you done, the child is enough capable to memorize all these things. After this, now in this year we have a workbook with us, that is followed by NCERT. This is the front page of our book, maths book. I think all parents are familiar with this book. So today we will start work in chapter 1. Children, this is the chapter number 1, shapes and space, page number 3. So let's start work in your workbook of maths. So in first question here we have to tick the shapes that is inside, and cross the shape that is which are outside. So okay, so you get it what I want to say. Here we have to tick the objects which are inside and cross the object which are outside. It is already done. As you see, matchbox, all the matchstick are inside the box. So here we have done tick. Okay, now in the second picture the matchsticks are outside the box, so we have to cross. So in this way, the second is jar, all the cookies are inside the jar, that is tick. And in the second picture, cookies are outside the box, so it is crossed. The second picture is of parrot. The parrot is inside the cage, so it is tick. And in the second picture, the parrot is outside the cage, so we have to cross. D. The boy is outside the house, so it is cross. And when he is inside the house, it is tick. Okay children, so the next question is the cat here, that is page number 4. If you open page number 4, you can see the question here. The topic is bigger and smaller. So inside, outside, as you remember, bigger, smaller, after, before, near, far, all are the spatial relationship that we have taught earlier. So here in the first question, tick the bigger animal and cross the smaller animal. So here the cat is smaller than tiger, so the tiger is bigger, so we have to tick the tiger. And the cat is smaller than the tiger, so we have to cross. So in this way we have to follow the instruction and then do our work. In second, we have tick the smaller ball and cross the bigger ball. So we have to tick the small one and cross the bigger one. Third, in between aeroplane and cycle, tick the smaller vehicle and cross the bigger vehicle. So if you see, the aeroplane is bigger than the cycle, so we have to cross the bigger one, that is aeroplane, and we have to tick the smaller one, that is cycle. 4, tree and pot. So we have to here tick the bigger tree and cross the small tree. So can you tell me which one is bigger? Yes, this one is bigger. So here we have to tick in the box. And which one is small? This one is small, so we have to tick. So children, before anything the instruction is given, so you have to follow the instruction. Parents, please help them to read the question, because they are not enough capable to read the question properly. And please tell them the meaning also. Time by time they are also capable to understand the meaning of all these things. Page number 5. In page number 5, we have to go through the topic that is biggest and smallest. So in each line we have three different item or same item but with different shapes. So as per instruction we have to do it. So in first question we have to tick the smallest box. So children, here we have 3 boxes. This is first, second and third. So which one is smallest? Smallest means among all, which one is smallest? So the first one, no. Second, third, no. The second one is smallest, so we have to tick it. Okay. So in question number 2, we have to tick the biggest fruit. So here we have strawberry, pear, and here we have different kinds of fruit, that is pear, the first one, strawberry, second one, and pineapple, third one. So among all these three, which one is biggest? Yes, that is pineapple. So we have to tick in the box. Okay. Second, in third question, we have to tick the biggest leaf. So here we have three different shapes of leaves. This is 1, 2, and 3. So which one is biggest? This one is biggest. So we have to tick it. 4. Here we have to tick the smallest animal. We have cat, then goat, then elephant. So can you tell me which animal is the smallest here? Yes, this is cat. So we have to tick in the box. So children, in this way you have to do this work. Now page number 6. In first question, we have to fill in the blanks by choosing correct word. Children, here I have answer only, but if you open the book, you can see it properly. We will do it afterwards. Now kindly open page number 7. Here we have to tick the boy nearer to the house and cross the boy farther from the house. So I think you are now familiar with the topic near and far. So which boy is nearby the house? Yes, that is small boy. The younger boy is nearer to the house. So we have to cross the young boy, and we have to tick the big boy. Okay. In next, tick the animal nearer to the pond and cross the animal farther from the pond. Here we have again different example. We have to tick the tree that is near by the girl, and we have to cross the tree that is far away from the girl. So as you see, this tree is near by the girl. So we have to tick, and this tree is far away. So we have to cross. Okay, children. So in this way you have to complete your work up to page number 8. Okay. So children, now you understand. From this video we are starting our written work in Fair Notebook. Keep your writing so good. Write neat and clean. That is beneficial for you also. If you write clean, neat and clean, you can read yourself the words very easily. And please take your time and do practice more and more. Be a good boy and girl. Always help your parents. Understand what they are saying. Whatever they are saying to you, that is good for you. Okay, children. In next video we will go further. We will go again with our written work. Okay. So till then, goodbye and Sai Ram.